My name is Nduku Luis Tebi, an educational leadership master's student in the University of Boya. Today I'm joining you all through this video to present my information and communication technology action plan for the year 2022 to 2025. That's a 3 years action plan. And the action plan depicts a challenge faced by civil engineering teachers across the Republic of Cameroon. The vision is that all civil engineering secondary and high school students should have access to attending ICT classes and be able to design with the aid of the computer, that's computer aided design. Where were we in the past? In the past, we had technical educational subsystem whereby the curriculum did not include ICT and other aspects of drawing with the aid of a computer. We were drawing manually with a drawing board. We had as well civil engineering secondary school teachers who were trained with this curriculum and did not have a mastery of drawing with the aid of a computer. We also had a system of education where the use of phones, laptops, and other gadgets were prohibited across secondary schools. And where are we presently? The government of the Republic of Cameroon, in her effort to professionalize the technical educational subsystem through the Minister of Secondary Education, have made it a policy that AutoCAD, that's drawing with the aid of a computer to design projects, is mandatory for secondary education civil engineering students. And as well, being a policy, 2 subjects have been added to be written at the advanced level examinations. They include AutoCAD, which is drawing with the aid of a computer, and of course maintenance and control of equipment. These are 2 very important subjects that can only be done with the aid of a computer. And presenting where we are now, there is the need to present where we want to get to in the nearest future. By the year 2025, the Cameroon's educational system intends to have civil engineering students who have a mastery of AutoCAD. They should as well have access to at least 250 giga hard drive computer sets with 2010 AutoCAD software installed in them. They also intend to have students and teachers who are working closely to be able to design projects with the aid of a computer and as well be evaluated through AutoCAD practically in their various learning environments. As a result of that, how do we get there? We have 6 targets. The first is that all staffs should be consistent at all levels with AutoCAD 2010 version. And so to this effect, several activities are to be carried out as part of our action plan. They include the evolution of skills, that's evaluation of skills of AutoCAD as far as secondary education teachers in Cameroon are concerned, training schemes to be organized to meet the unmet needs of teachers as far as this space is concerned, and of course research and development of effective methods of teaching AutoCAD to secondary school education civil engineering students. We as well intend to come up with a manual that will help teachers to be able to best teach AutoCAD. Remember that most of the teachers we have were not effectively trained using AutoCAD in the past, so it's relatively a new concept both to the teachers and of course to the learners. Secondly, we intend to have a clear understanding of AutoCAD equipment in civil engineering classes across the national territory, and as a result of that, our pedagogic inspectors regionally and nationally are working endlessly to see to it that regional seminars are organized to upgrade the capacity and knowledge of teachers in the civil engineering department on the use of AutoCAD and how they can best update their skills in this space. We also intend to work on the safety of ICT equipment on both the learners, the teachers, and the equipment themselves, such that in the course of us all using this equipment, we all will stay safe while advancing knowledge and becoming improved versions of ourselves. We are working as well on the sessions that will help us evaluate the progressive record of work as far as covering the curriculum in the space of teaching AutoCAD and evaluation is concerned. And as well, to round up, ladies and gentlemen, we intend to help work on the incorporation of effective AutoCAD management both at local, regional, and national level, so by making our learners competitive in Cameroon and across the world.